या गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हमारी सीरीज नंबर सिस्टम एनटीएससी के पर्सपेक्टिव से नेशनल टैलेंट सर्च एग्जामिनेशन, जहाँ पे आपको पैटर्न पता है कि मोर देन 100 मार्क्स की रीजनिंग आनी है। रीजनिंग वर्बल, नॉन वर्बल और क्वांट दोनों आए। ठीक है, तो आज हम शुरू कर रहे हैं अपना फर्स्ट सीरीज में नंबर सिस्टम। नंबर सिस्टम में हम सारा बेसिक करेंगे। फर्स्ट पार्ट हम कवर करेंगे प्लेस या फेस वैल्यू, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन आ सकता है कि इसकी फेस वैल्यू या प्लेस वैल्यू का डिफरेंस या बताइए। तो उसके लिए हम कवर करते हैं, जैसे कि आपको कोई नंबर दिया है 7, 8, 4, 2, तो उसमें हो सकता है कि ये आपकी यूनिट प्लेस है, ये आपकी टेंस प्लेस है, ये आपकी 100 प्लेस है और ये आपकी 1000 प्लेस है। ठीक है जी। तो फेस वैल्यू उस डिजिट की अपनी वैल्यू है। ठीक है, इसको बड़े सिंपल तरीके से, जैसे मेरे से पूछे कोई व्हाट इज द फेस वैल्यू ऑफ 8, तो 8 की फेस वैल्यू 8 ही है। पर जब हम इसकी प्लेस वैल्यू की बात करते हैं तो प्लेस वैल्यू का मतलब है ये किस नंबर पे लाई करता है। तो इट इज एट व्हाट 8। तो व्हाट इज दैट, तो हम क्या करेंगे, इसको क्या करेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। तो यूनिट ये 100 प्लेस पे है, तो डिजिट जो नंबर है उसको उस प्लेस से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, तो मेरा आंसर आ गया 800। तो एग्जाम में आपको क्वेश्चन आता है व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द प्लेस वैल्यू एंड द फेस वैल्यू ऑफ द 8। सो व्हाट यू विल से 800 minus 8 is equal to what 792। ठीक, दैट इज द फर्स्ट कांसेप्ट। ठीक है, मैं रिपीट करता हूं, प्लेस एंड फेस वैल्यू, कोई भी नंबर दे रखा होगा आपको, हो सकता है वो आपसे अलग अलग नंबर्स के बारे में पूछे। फेस वैल्यू इज द डिजिट्स ओन वैल्यू। So at any place, what is the digit that is its face value? जो उसकी हम शुद्ध भाषा में बात करते हैं, उसकी शक्ल पे लिखा हुआ है, तो शक्ल पे 8 पे 80 लिखा हुआ है। और प्लेस वैल्यू मीन्स what is that digit and at what place it is coming. So it is multiplied by 100, you get what 800। ठीक है, तो एग्जाम में आपको क्वेश्चन अलग तरीके से भी आ सकता है कि आप 7 की प्लेस वैल्यू में से 8 की फेस वैल्यू माइनस कीजिए। So we can say 7000 minus what 8. That is what we can do. That is the first part, okay, of the place and the face value. Okay, then we move on to the second concept. Okay, I will keep on writing what we have covered. We will cover today. This is place and face value. That is the first concept. Okay. Then we move on to the second concept. In second concept, the point becomes more important that we need to understand what are the kind of the numbers we are having. So numbers can be integers, whole numbers, or what, natural numbers. So all the numbers, whether they are from negative to what, positive, constitute integers. Okay, and then if we remove the negative part of it and we start from 0 to positive numbers, they become what, whole numbers. And natural numbers are those numbers which start from positive 1 to infinity. Okay, that does not constitute 0. Okay, so we have three things. So what is the point? The point is that the biggest set of number is what, integers, then the smaller one is what, whole numbers, and then what, rational numbers. Okay, that's point number 2. So second point we have covered is type of numbers, integers. This is what we will cover. Okay, and the third part that we are talking about is divisibility rule. Now that is more important. We have studied in our previous classes. Okay, So what is the divisibility rule? So we will start from lowest number. So divisibility rule of 2 says that any number is divisible by 2. The logic is the number should be an even number. Even number means it should have in its unit place numbers like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, this is called as even numbers. Then we talk of divisibility rule of 3, जो ये कहता है any number, you take a number, you add the digits of that number. Okay, if the answer is divisible by 3, the number is divisible by 3. For example, we take the example of 729. So what we do here, we add 7 plus 2 plus 9. The answer is 18, which is a number divisible by 3. तो मैं बोलूंगा the number is divisible by what? 3. Okay, that is what it is. And for number to be divisible by 4, okay, we should remember all of them. Okay, for a rule of 4, so the digits of divisibility rule of 4 is that the last 2 digit क्या होंगे, divisible होंगे 4 से, और number should be an even number. Okay, then we move on to the rule of 5. Rule of 5 says that the unit place of the number should be 0 or what? 5. To be divisible by what? 5. Then the rule of 6, which says that the number should be an even number and it should be divisible by 2 and 3. तो आपके पास कोई भी नंबर आएगा तो आपने उसको डिजिट्स को इवन है तो प्लस करके देखना है, ऐड करके. अगर वो नंबर 2 से डिविजिबल होगा, ओके, एंड इवन नंबर, एंड इफ इट इज डिविजिबल बाय 3, देन वी विल से इट इज डिविजिबल बाय व्हाट? 6. ओके, देन द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट जो स्टूडेंट्स को समझ नहीं आता, दैट इज रूल ऑफ व्हाट? 7. रूल ऑफ 7 में एक रूल लगता है, ध्यान से देखिएगा. You take any number. I take 1, 4, 6, 4, 2. Okay. You double this number and subtract from here. Then you double the remainder, subtract from here. Keep in doing it till we get a one number which is either 0 or 7 or a multiple of 7. Okay. Let's do it. Let's solve this number. We say we multiplied double this number and we forget this number, then it becomes 4. We get the answer 1460. Okay, then we double this number and we forget this number, it is 0. We get 146. Okay, then we double this number and we forget this number, we get 12. The answer is 2. It means this number is not divisible by 7. Okay, let's take the example of some number which is divisible by 7. Okay, so you will understand it better. So like 343, which is the cube of 7, we take this number, unit place, we double this number and we forget this number, so we get 6, we get 28, and we know 28 is a multiple of what? 7. That is how we do it. Because now we don't multiply it by 8 into 2, because the number will become into negative. That is the divisibility rule of what? 7. So we write here that we multiply a number, unit place, by number, unit place by 2 and subtract next, and we keep on doing it. Okay, we keep on doing it till we get a number. So rule of 8, it says that last 3 digits number should be even and the last 3 digits should be divisible by what? 8. Okay, like we take example of 800 264. Here we find that the 264 in the end is an even number and it is divisible by 8. Okay, then we go into rule of 9. For a number to be divisible by 9, it should be, first condition is divisible by 3 and the last 3 digits sum. When we say last, we start from the units place. Last 3 digits sum should be divisible by what? We sum the digits like we did it in 3. Okay. Then we go by the last rule of by 11. We add the odd numbers separately, places, and we add the even numbers separately and we subtract it. Okay. So we will write here, subtract the sum of odd and even. Okay. So any number we take the cube of, so what we get? 1331. So we count from here, odd, even, odd, even. ये odd even प्लेस पे देखना है, फेस वैल्यू पे नहीं देखना, ठीक है, ध्यान रखना. ये नहीं है कि अगर 4 आ गया तो मैंने उसको इवन नहीं दिया, 6 आ गया तो मैंने उसको इवन नहीं दिया, नहीं, गलत हो जाएगा कॉन्सेप्ट. तो we add this, we get what? 4. We add this even places, we get what? 4. We subtract it, we get 0. Or a multiple of 11, we say the number is divisible by what? 11. Okay. So this brings to the, so 3 concepts we have discussed. Other is divisibility rule. Okay. This brings us to the end of this part of the number system. We will continue in our next video more about the number system. Wish you happy learning. Keep sharing and learning.